There are a lot of PowerPoint tutorials out there that show you how to create really cool effects like this and this, yet some people struggle to create the effect. So in this video, we'll break down the process step by step so you can learn how to create awesome slides to impress your boss. Let's get into it. After you open PowerPoint, you want to make sure you're on a blank slide. And the first step in this process is to draw a base shape. Now, the shape can cover the whole slide or just a portion of it, depending on the effect you want to create. So for this example, let's go ahead and draw a rectangle that covers the entire slide. So we'll go up here and click on Insert Shapes, and then draw our rectangle. Okay, so the next step is you want to draw another shape on top of the base shape. Now, these shapes tend to be more decorative or fancy in nature. For this example, let's go up here and click on Insert Shapes, go with this hexagon, and we can draw one right over here. All right, the next step is to change the shape color to white and remove the outline. To do that, let's make sure the shape is selected, then go up here and click on Shape Format, then Shape Fill, change the color to white. Then as an option, you can remove the shape outline if you think it looks better. To remove the shape outline, first click on the shape, then choose Shape Format, Shape Outline, and then choose No Outline. Our next step is to duplicate our shape, and there are a few ways to do this. So for today, how about we go with Control D to make a bunch of copies. So we can click on the shape, press Control D to make a few copies. And once we're done copying the shape, the next step is to arrange your shapes on the slide in whatever order you like. So for this part, I'm going to arrange them in a honeycomb pattern. And to save time, I'm going to speed up the process. Just know that things won't be perfectly aligned, since the goal here is to show you how to create the photo effect. All right, now is the most critical step in the entire process, which is to select your shapes in the proper order. And here is where most people fail. The way it works is you need to make sure you select your base shape first, then hold down your Shift key, then click on all the remaining shapes on your slide. Once you're done selecting everything, with all the shapes still selected, go up and click on where it says Shape Format. On the far left, look for Merge Shapes, and then choose Subtract. Now, at first glance, it looks like nothing happened, but trust yourself because something did. The next step in this process is to add whatever photo or image you want. So to make things easier, we can use some of the stock images that are available through PowerPoint. To get them, we can go up here and choose Insert, Pictures, Stock Images. Then we can either search for the image that fits the theme of our presentation, or we can just select one we like. So for today, how about we go with this abstract image? So we'll click to select it, then choose Insert. Okay, almost done. The final step in this process is to do a right click on the image and choose Send to Back. As you can see, we've created this really cool image effect. Not too bad. So from here, we can move the image around a bit if we want. If we run our slideshow, here's what things are going to look like. Okay, so as a bonus, the same process applies to creating cool video effects. So to make things easier, I went through the same process of adding some shapes, rearranging them, selecting the base shape first, then using subtraction. Now to add the video, we can go up here and choose Insert, then on the far right, choose Video, Stock Video. How about we go with this underwater one because it looks kind of cool. So we can select that and choose Insert. Now, before we send the video to the back, it's a good idea to set your video to run automatically during your slideshow. To do that, first click on the video and then go up and click on the Playback tab. Then over here, click the drop arrow and make sure the playback is set to automatically. After that is complete, right click on the video, choose Send to Back. Now, if you run the slideshow, here is what things are going to look like. That's pretty cool. Okay, now before you go, if you're looking for some really awesome PowerPoint templates that are not your typical run-of-the-mill and will make you look like a superstar, we offer a template pack that is available for a ridiculously low price. So feel free to check out the link below. And feel free to leave your thoughts as well. And don't be shy about liking and sharing this video. All right, and that'll do it for this one, and we will see you next time.